Hello everyone. In this video, self-assessment term 1 essay 1 exam 2025-26 class 8th subject English question paper with answer. Discuss this PDF. Download to the Telegram group, link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Multiple choice question. Each question has 4 options. Only one option is the correct answer. Let's start the first question. Identify the this sentence of the tense. I have found a solution to your problem. Simple present, simple past, present perfect, past perfect. In this sentence, use tense present perfect. Option C is the right answer of the first question. Question number 2. What does the phrasal verb looked on mean in the following sentence? Hans, Wolf and I looked on and cheered. Option greeted, observed each other, searched for something, left quickly. Which is the right answer? Right answer option B is the correct answer. Observed each other. Question number 3. In a noun phrase, what is head word? The main noun, the adjective, the verb, the preposition. Which is the correct answer? Correct answer option A, the main noun. Choose the right option to fill the given blank. We felt a great and dash rescue team would be coming to save us. Reliever, relieving, relieve, relief. Answer is option D, relief. Question number 5. Bipin Chaudhary was made to feel that he had a lapse of memory. What is meaning of the underlined word? What is the meaning of the lapse of memory? Temporary failure, strength, limit, confusion. Answer A, temporary failure. Question number 6. Identify the doer of the action in the following sentence. My textbook was stolen. Option, my textbook. The thief, my friend, not mentioned. Answer, not mentioned. Question number 7. Find the correct reported statement. He said, I will help you. Inverted comma sentences belonged to the future simple tense. How to convert this sentence of the indirect speech? He said he would help me. Option B, he said he will help me. He said he helps me. D, he said he will helped me. Which one is the right answer? Right answer, he said he would help me is the correct answer. Question number 8. In the dictionary order, which word comes immediately after pen, paint, pendant, potter, pick is the correct answer. Option B, pendant. Question number 9. Everyone dash attend the school regularly and punctually. Fill the above blank with the suitable option. Had to, have to, has to, must to. Which one is the right answer? Everyone has to. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 10. What do the item have a clean record imply? Correct answer option B, has not past mistake or crime. Option B is the correct answer of the 10th question. Question number 11. Which of the following sentence has a relation with present? I took my lunch. I will take my lunch. I had taken my lunch. I have just taken my lunch. Which one is the right answer? Right answer option D. I have just taken my lunch. Question number 12. Thank God There is a peace in the country now. Which of the following is antonyms of the underlined word? Calmness, beauty, violence, friendship. Answer is a violence. Underlined word is a peace. Question number 13. The family took refuge dash the third floor of the hotel. Use a suitable preposition in the above blank: from, on, in, for. Correct answer option C, in. Question number 14. Not a crumb to be found on the snow covered ground. Which of the following option rhyme with the word found ground given in the above lines? Sound, grind, find, mind. Correct answer sound. Option A is the right option. Question number 15. The man was still looking at him is utter disbelief. Find the spelling that suit the above blanks. EIEEAIE. Answer is a IE. Disbelief. Question number 16 to 20. Read the following story carefully and now answer this question. Question number 16. What did the crow find one morning? A nut, a piece of cheese, a fruit, a loaf of bread. Correct answer, a piece of cheese. Correct answer option B is the right answer. Question number 17. What did the fox first ask to the crow to do? Dance, sing a song, share the cheese, fly away. Right answer, sing a song. Option B is a right answer. Question number 18. How did the crop how did the crow keep the cheese safe? It ate it quickly. It hid in the nest. It threw it away. It placed it under its cows. Which one is the right answer? Right answer option D is the correct answer. It placed under its claws. Next one, question number 19. What did the fox suggest when the crow didn't sing? To fly around, to dance, to tell a story, to give the cheese. Answer B, to dance. Question number 20. What is the moral of the story? Greed always wins. Never talk strangers. No trick can fool a wise mind. Singing is better than dancing. No trick can fool a wise mind. Correct answer C is a correct answer. Section B, question number 21 to 24. Answer the following in your answer set. Arrange this jumble word fragments to a meaningful sentence. A camel Indian strong I took a ride on. Correct statement. Correct sentence. I took a ride on a strong Indian camel. Question number 22. Change the following passive voice. The machine repaired it for me. It was repaired by the machine for me. Rewrite the sentence below using have to. I work hard to stand first in my class. What is the answer? I have to work hard to stand first in my class. Match the following. Match the following. Archaeology is the first one. Second, I have informed you. I informed you. It was informed you. This is a sentence is passive voice, a sentence is a past tense, a sentence is a present perfect, a group of many island and surrounding seas. First one is a D. First matchup is a D. Archaeology, a group of many island. I have informed you. A sentence is a present perfect tense. I inform you. This is a past tense. It was informed to you is a passive voice sentence. उसके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 to 29, आंसर द फॉलोइंग question in answer set. This one is a question number 25. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in the southern Thailand. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. It was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra. Earlier that morning, the water was swelling and kept in. Penny Smith remembered the beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening. A. What was the Smith family doing in Thailand? Celebrating Christmas at a beach resort. B. Who were the member of the Smith family? Penny, Colin, Tilly, and her younger sister. What is a natural disaster was approaching 26 December 2004? Earthquake, tsunami, cyclone. Answer tsunami. Who was Tilly Smith? A geologist, a 10-year-old schoolgirl, a tsunami expert, a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Question number 26. Read the following stanza carefully and answer the question given below. Come and hire me, I cried while in the morning I was walking on the stone paved road, sword in hand. The king came in the chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted by naught, and he went away his chariot. A. Who are the two people in the above stanza, the king and the young man? The speaker means. Who approached the speaker with a sword in hand? The king approached the speaker. C. How did king arrive to meet speaker on foot, on horseback, in his chariot? Answer is in his chariot. Why did the king live without hiring the speaker? He lost interest. His offer was rejected. His power had no value to the speaker. Answer C. His power had no value to the speaker. Read the following passage and answer the question. A. Where did the children play every afternoon? In a playground, in a school ground, in a giant garden, on a roadside, in the forest. Answer B. In a giant garden. What kind of grass in the garden? Dry and brown, wet and muddy, soft and green, thorny and rough. Answer soft and green. C. How long was giant away from home? 5 year, 2 year, 7 year, 10 year. Answer become C. 7 year. Who did the giant go to the visit? Answer his uncle Cornish Org, the queen his brother. Our answer Cornish Org. Read the following process distillation and arrange the jumble sentence in a sequential order based on the information given below. What is the correct sequence of the jumble sentence? Second, distillation, separate liquid based on their boiling point. Third, the mixture is heated until the liquid with the lower boiling point vaporize, and then one, the vapor form is cooled in a consider and collected in a receiver. It is widely used to purify water and separate alcohol from mixtures. Arrange the following word in dictionary orders: publisher, painter, potters, and percussionist. Answer is a painter, percussionist, potter, and publisher. Right on sentence is the suffused. Her face was suffused with the sudden glow of happiness. Identify the part of speech, the underlined word given in the sentence. Once There was a fox forest. One day it was very hungry and went to search food. Accidentally it fell into a well. Hungry, adjective word. Accidentally is the adverb. Question number 30. In the lesson Glimpse of the Past, you have read many stories of Indian patriots involving fighting against the British to drive away of India. Write a small piece of conversation between you and your friend about how the freedom fighter of the Indian struggle to achieve freedom for our nation. This is the possible answer of the sample answer. Ravi and Anil conservation. How to write of this question in this pattern. Take the screenshot and join the Telegram group, link on the description. Question number 31. Imagine you are living in a coastal region of Andhra Pradesh state where frequent cyclones occurs. Write a letter to your friend describing what cyclone are and explaining the safety measure that should be taken before, during and after a cyclone. This is the answer of the letter. These patterns follow the writing section and correct the correct word, choose the answer. Question number 32. Write a script saving our mother earth. Good morning everyone, respected principals, sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about saving our mother earth. Our earth is a beautiful home that gives us air, water, food, and shelter, but sadly, we are harming it through pollution, deforestation, and throwing waste. If we don't take care of it now, our future will be in a danger. We can help by doing simple things: plant more trees, avoid plastic, and use eco friendly bags, save water and electricity, keep our surrounding clean. Each small steps we take can make our planet healthy again. Let all promise to keep our earth green, clean, and safe for everyone. Thank you. And let go green together. Read the following pie chart. Telugu is a 10%, social studies 16%, English 24%, maths 30%, science 20%. Description of the pie chart. A pie chart looks like a circle derived into slices. Each slices shows a part of the total. It helps us see which part is a bigger or smaller in easy way. The given pie chart show favorite subject student in a class. The subject are mathematics, English, science, social studies and Telugu. The values show in a pie chart: maths 30%, English 24%, science 20%, social studies 16%, and Telugu 10%. From the chart we can see the mathematics is the most liked subject among student. English comes next, followed by science. Fewer students like social studies and Telugu. This means that the most students enjoy learning mathematics and English more than other subject. This is a paper is a very important for the examination. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel.